Make sure you're sending reminders, not just confirmations. So we send an email 48 hours before, and then they get a text message 3 hours before their appointment to remind them. We're not confirming, they already made the appointment. We don't want to give them the easy option out to just press N for no, not coming anymore. So with your deposit, make sure it's something that you are going to be comfortable asking for. So at my salon, it's just a flat $50 rate for any service. But for you, you might think, okay, 20% or $20. It's completely up to you. Just make sure you take something. It's amazing how much that increases clients showing up when they're supposed to. So it's very rare for us to get a no-show. We might get one, maybe once a month, and usually something bad has happened or they really just can't make it in.